Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Gala Games price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this white target area. And at the time of this recording, we have almost fully maximized that minimum target area. And because of the corrective nature in the formation of this wave 2, I have also been expecting to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, where here on the charts you can see that I'm terming this as the wave A, then a wave B, and I'm expecting one more leg down in the formation of this wave C to give us a low below the low that he made at around the $0.03264 mark. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1, and that was after seeing our low on the 23rd of March, where we saw that massive pump to the upside obeying the Elliot wave structures. So that 5-wave structure completing that first wave before we started our corrective structure in this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. That is what gave me the minimum retracement area in this wave 2 between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78. And since my primary scenario is that Gala Games is going to give us one more leg down within this white target area, I can also give you the target area, which lies between the $0.03834 mark and the $0.03475 mark. And today we are expecting the FOMC meeting later in the day. And since at the time of that FOMC meeting there will be a lot of volatility in the market, if the FOMC meeting has a negative impact on the market, then I'm expecting Gala Games to fully satisfy the formation of this ABC corrective structure and also give us that one more leg down in the formation of that wave 2. Then from there we can expect our massive pump to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in case such a breakdown happens here on the charts and we fully maximize our target area, we also need to continue holding below, that is at the lower side of this target area at around the $0.3488 mark, which is the Fib level 0.78, because the moment we lose our white target area and also lose the Fib level 0.78, then that would be suggesting an even more bearish scenario here on the Gala Games chart, and I hope that doesn't happen. We continue holding within the white target area, and once that happens, there will be high chances that we are going to start gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. And once the low is in that wave 2 and we also have confirmations of that second wave, we can now start sketching out target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. That is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios, and also giving you the long-term outlook here on the Gala Games chart, basing it on this Elliot wave structure that I have right here in blue, where you can see that we bottomed out in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2 within this blue target area. And all that played out after we fully peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1. And having seen the formation of that first wave and a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, my primary scenario on the long-term scenarios is that we are seeing the formation of this wave 3, which is impulsive. And because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3 that has just given me the short-term scenarios, where we have peaked in that first wave, and right now we are seeing a bit of a breakdown in the formation of this wave 2. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios here on the Gala Games chart. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, On the RSI, we are trading at around the 32 mark, meaning we are almost into the oversold region. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.